These 10 inventions will revolutionize the way you live. In this video, we showcase 10 amazing inventions that have the potential to revolutionize the way we live. From futuristic transportation solutions to advanced healthcare technology, these inventions demonstrate the incredible potential of human innovation. We'll take a closer look at each invention, exploring their features and benefits, and how they could change our daily lives. 5 keywords: innovation, technology, futuristic, healthcare, transportation. Welcome to our video, where we'll be showcasing 10 incredible inventions that are set to change the way we live. Each invention is a testament to human innovation and the incredible potential of technology to improve our lives. Join us as we explore these amazing inventions and their impact on our daily lives. Invention 1. Title: Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are fast becoming a reality, with many major car manufacturers investing heavily in this technology. Self-driving cars offer a range of benefits, from increased safety to reduced traffic congestion. They also have the potential to revolutionize transportation for those who are unable to drive, such as the elderly or disabled. With the ability to communicate with other vehicles, self-driving cars could also make our roads much safer. Invention 2. Title: Virtual reality healthcare. Virtual reality is being increasingly used in healthcare, with the potential to revolutionize the way we treat and manage medical conditions. From pain management to mental health treatment, virtual reality technology offers a range of benefits. For example, it can help patients cope with chronic pain by distracting their minds and providing a calming environment. It can also be used to treat conditions such as PTSD and anxiety. Invention 3. Title: Smart homes. Smart homes are becoming increasingly popular, offering a range of benefits such as increased energy efficiency and enhanced security. From smart thermostats to smart locks, these devices allow us to monitor and control our homes remotely, making life more convenient. They can also help us save money by reducing energy consumption and preventing break-ins. Invention 4. Title: Vertical farms. Vertical farms are a new type of agriculture that could revolutionize the way we grow food. By growing crops in vertical stacks, using hydroponics or aeroponics, these farms can produce large amounts of food in small spaces. This means that food can be grown closer to cities, reducing the need for long-distance transportation and reducing the carbon footprint of our food. Invention 5. Title: 3D printing. 3D printing is a technology that has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing. From healthcare to aerospace, 3D printing is already being used in a wide range of industries. With 3D printing, it is possible to create complex shapes and designs with ease, making it perfect for creating custom products. It also reduces waste and increases efficiency, as products can be made on demand without the need for large warehouses. Invention 6. Title: Drones. Drones have a wide range of uses, from aerial photography to delivering packages. They can also be used for search and rescue missions, agricultural surveys, and even firefighting. With the ability to cover large distances quickly and access hard-to-reach areas, drones are revolutionizing a range of industries. Invention 7. Title: Wearable technology. Wearable technology, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, is becoming increasingly popular. These devices offer a range of benefits, from tracking physical activity to monitoring health conditions. They can also provide notifications and alerts, making life more convenient. Wearable technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, allowing us to monitor and manage our health in real time. Invention 8. Title: Solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable energy source that has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate power. With solar panels becoming increasingly efficient and affordable, solar energy is now a viable alternative to traditional energy sources. It is also much cleaner, producing no greenhouse gas emissions and reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Invention 9. Title: Autonomous robots. Autonomous robots have the potential to revolutionize a range of industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. These robots can perform tasks autonomously, without the need for human intervention. This increases efficiency and reduces the risk of human error. Autonomous robots can also be used in hazardous environments, such as nuclear power plants or oil rigs, where they can perform tasks too dangerous for humans. Invention 10. Title: Personalized medicine. Personalized medicine is a new approach to healthcare that takes into account an individual's unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. With personalized medicine, doctors can tailor treatments to the specific needs of each patient. This can lead to more effective treatments and better patient outcomes. With advances in genetics and technology, personalized medicine has the potential to revolutionize the healthcare industry. Thanks for watching our video on 10 inventions that will revolutionize the way you live. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, these technologies demonstrate the incredible potential of human innovation. Which of these inventions are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.